What's up, my kings and queens? How's everybody doing? I know I'm supposed to be uploading every week. Your boy been busy, okay? Shoot, I've been training somebody at work for months. I am tired. I didn't even want to get out of bed today. I'm working Monday through Saturday, one day off. Today's Sunday. I was in bed all day. As you can see, the sun's going down. I'm going to have to try to beat the sun. I guess I'm going to do a quick little 5,000 mile review on the cfmoto so you can see how I go, as well as tightening up the chain. I got the tire change, and these fools try to charge me 30 bucks to tighten my chain. Like, bro, you're already there. But you know what? Neither here or there. I went and bought the tools. So let's try to get this done. What you're going to need is a 21 and a 19. Why are they on different sizes? I don't know. But the right side is a 21. The left side is a 19. And you're also going to need a 13 millimeter crescent for the back bolts. They say these don't take long, so let's see how long it's going to get. Oh, and another thing. Let me get you up in here. This, look, I haven't even touched this. Look at this. Why is this loose already? This side is tight. But anyways, you have this bolt and you have that bolt. This is the 21 side. So let's get into it. Let's try to beat this sun from going down. Ooh, this is tight. That, yeah, I swear this is the way that I gotta go to loosen it. No, I lied. I'm up over here tightening it. That's what the issue was. So let's try this again. Take two. If I can figure out which way. Woo. That thing moved the whole thing. This thing's on tight. Let me see. To loosen it, I should come back because to tighten it, I'll go that way. So, no, I was right the first time. You gotta come towards me. Let's hope it's not spinning this side at the same time. I'm loosening it. There we go. I don't think I'm gonna loosen it all the way. Just enough. All right. So now I want to loosen those bolts so I could tighten them and bring it back. And we have notches over here. I'll show you the notches later. Because this is trying to span both of them. Let me see. All right, here we go. My bad. You guys just trying to figure this out. But anyways, about the bike. It still has my first thought. I still love my bike. I should have showed y'all. Let me show y'all how tight this darn chain is. Look at this. I mean, how loose. Look at this. That's just crazy. And they had a nerve to not tighten up my stuff. Now, from what I read is that if I tighten these bolts up, It should tighten. Move the tire back. It should tighten this. So I shouldn't even have to touch the tire, technically. So let's see if that's true. It's on the third notch. No, it's on the second notch. So they actually moved it. They actually moved it back because when I took it in, it was on the third notch. I can start talking about the bike after I feel like I'm moving this the right way. And at least they give you the notches so you can make it even on both sides. Oh yeah, it's moving. Let me try to move the camera so you can see. My fault. This my fault. I for sure should have woke up earlier so I could get this done. But as always, I slept in. I be tired. I guess I could do it in the garage too. I just want it to be outside. So we're on the third notch. I think I'm gonna go all the way to the fourth and see what that's gonna do for me. This is actually pretty straightforward. Easy as shit. And they want to charge me $30 for this. Now let me come to this side and do the same thing. This one is on the third, but I'm gonna also move this one to the fourth. This one was way faster. All right, let's check the tension. I'm liking that. That might be, I might back it up just a little bit. Let me see. Just a little bit. Oh, this was easy. Another dub for CF. Another dub. Another one. So overall, how I feel about my bike. I still love this thing. I love it even more now. 1, 2, 3. I'm at 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5. Okay, let me see what this. All right, I'm gonna just go one tight up and that's it. Boom, half a turn. Boom, half a turn. I just want it to be a little bit more tighter. So my experience through this, how many miles I got? 5,000? I have 5,000 miles. So my journey through the 5,000 miles is the only issue I've had with the bike is my shifter knob fell off. Just a half turn wider, and then I think I'm gonna be good. I know I keep chasing my tail a little bit. I think that's good right there by the hard riding. So I got it at 3.5 for any of y'all that want to know. 3.5 on both sides. Now you just want to tighten these end bolts. Okay. Tighten them as best as I can. And this, and of course that's turn it too. Hold. You're gonna need 2 crescent wrenches. Hold one so it don't turn, and then tighten it with the other, or else it's just gonna move your chain. Anyways, now you can tighten both of these, and it's supposed to be 81 or 89 foot-pounds of torque. No, I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm gonna have to go with the old trusty string. And whenever I could see one of the friends at the shop, they can hook me up. Yeah, I have stands, but as you see, you do not need a stand for this. You probably need another hand though, because I'm short. There we go. Let me do one more turn for good measures. There we go. That feels like 81. And I think that's nice. Now let me finish this. So, back to the bike. The only problem I had was the shifter knob coming off. And let's move her to the garage so we can see her. Light, get in here as possible. All right. And I'll clean up after I'm done with the video. But the only problem I had was the shifter knob fell off. And what I mean by that was this whole thing fell off in the middle of me riding. So I had to come home and put it back on. I Loctite the mess out this thing. It's Loctited up good. So it's not going nowhere. But now I keep getting these neutrals. I don't know if I'm riding a bike way too hard or what, or if this is on too tight to where every time I'm downshifting. I don't know if I'm gonna insert the video or not, but I was going like 40, 45, and I downshifted the first, and then it put itself in neutral. Like it does that, and that's very dangerous. Like sometimes if I'm trying to lean into the turn, going in at 40, you know, or 30, or 30 to 20, and it puts you in neutral, that's dangerous because that's going to take all your momentum. You're not going to be able to give it more gas or anything, you know, to exit out of that turn. So I'm not liking that. Again, I don't know if this is too tight or what's going on. And then I did get my rear tire replaced. As I said earlier, I actually went up a size. I went and got the Michelin Power 2s because that's all they had. And I'm at a 160. Let me read it. I'm at a 160, 60, 17. And I only did that because, again, I'm not used to little bikes or little tires. And I just didn't feel that comfortable on a little tire. It makes extremely difference on this bike. For turning, the first day I had it, I was just turning all types of wide. I was turning all types of wide. I have not did my front tire yet because they didn't have any front tires. Like I said, today I slept in. I should have called, but I'm going to probably go online tonight, order me a front tire so I could get a front tire installed as well. It's still on the factory. I don't know if I'm going to go up or if I'm going to keep the front tire the same. If y'all went up on any sizes, especially the front tire, let me know. Is it worth it or should I stay factory on that? I switched from Motul for the oil to liquid moly. I don't want to knock on Motul. I don't know if it was Motul or what was going on, but let me tell you something. Between that tire and the Motul in this bike, a dream, a dream. I'm talking about she runs so smooth. Like it's crazy. Like I love it. This is probably my best purchase of 2025, probably going into 2026, still putting money into her because she rides so darn smooth. If it wasn't for that going into neutral thing, oh my goodness. So like I said, I don't know if I just need to adjust these. If I got this too tight, I don't know what's going on with that. That's dangerous. I do need that fixed ASAP. But other than that, the way she rides, like when I had the Motul, she would be very, very jerky on upshifts. Now it's like butter. And let's not even talk about the downshifts. The downshifts, the mic here is working. Hey, it stopped recording. I had to take the hand gestures. There we go. I had to take the hand gestures out because it stopped recording on me. Let's try to get this side up over here. That's so funny. Yeah, I rose my hand up a little bit too high. Crazy work. Let's get this side so you can see everything that I did to it. Do another little rundown. Got the frame sliders, got the cap, got the slip on it, got the spools. I have the fender eliminator. Ooh, brain fart. Gotta have the Master 360. Then these with those. Then gotta have the phone cakes. You gotta have the cap too, the match and the socks. Go ahead and check this beauty out. Hold on. Go ahead and check her out. The charger, go to the front. Oh my goodness. She dirty, but she's beautiful. I get compliments all the time on her. Oh yeah, let's not forget the gas cap. I get compliments all the time. People love her. All the work that I put into it. Next, I want to do the wing mirrors or whatever. Oh shoot, let's check the miles out so y'all can see the miles too. Clock it, 5,147. She have no check engine lights. She sounds real good. I'm pretty sure y'all know that. So we don't have to do no sound check. She look really good. I ain't gonna lie, all the time I be thinking about taking these off. But I mean, it don't stop my brightness, but I'm just like, who puts film over their headlights, Me, I do. I do. But no, I'm still very much happy with my purchase. I'm very, very happy. I still have a lot of stuff that I want to do to her. I'm not done. But just the way she rides, you would think she's more than a $5,000 bike. She rides so smooth. So smooth. Like, I'm grateful, and it just makes me so happy with how good she rides, Like, I don't know. I mean, I know the Kawasaki 500 rides good because I have a couple of buddies with those, same as the CBR 500s. But like I said, I'm proud of her. Especially everything you get, the ABS, the traction control, the app, the TFT screen, like everything you get for that price point, you can't beat it. I wish I had another bike. I wish I could do more to this bike. I do want to change the sprockets at some point. Everything else only did cosmetic stuff. Everything else is still stock factory. Besides the air filter, I do have a DNA air filter in here. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the tune sooner than later. I'm trying to wait until I get the Van Diemen exhaust out the back because I'm gonna do the Van Diemen on her and then get the tune. But I might just go ahead and get the tune because the only thing she's missing to me is just a few more ponies. I know we all want our bikes to be fast and stuff, but I'm just saying the fastest I have went on her is 115. I've seen people do numbers of like 127, but for some reason, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I can't get her up that high. But like, let's say even if she goes 130, I think she would be the perfect bike at that point. Just give me 130. Just let me figure out how to get 130 out of her. You probably don't need nothing else. At an 80, I constantly cruise on her at 80. But, okay? No issue. But sometimes, when you get them straights, you do want to have fun. and it's like all my power's already going when I'm at 80. Like it's really nothing after that. After that, it's just a lot of like pops and stuff, which I love that part. But give her a few more ponies, man, and she's good. And I know there's a way. Somebody needs to figure it out. Whether we need to do a lighter chain, lighter sprocket, go down more on one or two on the back sprocket. Like, what do we got to do to get her in there? Because I already want to give her more torque, but I don't want a huge sprocket on the back. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just try to lighten her up from that standpoint. But like I say, the only thing that stops me from doing stuff like that is everything that came in factory is good. Like I honestly don't have an issue with nothing that they did. For real, hold on. I know it's something. Let me see. I know it's something I can nitpick. What can I nitpick about this bike? Because I gotta tell y'all something. I can't just be raving about her. I gotta tell y'all something. Dang. Because even the chain adjustment just blew my mind. Like even on Jinx, her chain is loose. And I know I'm gonna have to put her up on the stand. But man, what? Let me find something. All right, the phone holder. Look at this. I'm pretty sure I couldn't get it on right. Pretty sure it's wrong, but look at this. Look, it runs into my key. So to use it, I need to find some spacers that's going to go right here. Because if I can't find no spacers, then I won't be able to use it. Oh, then I had ordered the wrong grips. I messed up. I ordered the wrong grips, tried to install it. Let me tell you something. I don't think I have that one right because look at that gap. But let me tell you something. I had this throttle so freaking perfect. So perfect. Like, oh my goodness. So where, hold on, let me lift this up so you can see. I had the throttle like Jinx up over there. Like as soon as you let out just a little bit, she was going. Oh, I was in love. I was in love. Then I got my tire changed. I don't know if it takes more power to move this bigger tire or what. I mean, the way it is now, it's really no issue. Like it just comes out right here, and I don't have no problem with it. Now, whenever it comes from factory, man, you got to be clear out here before it engages. That was tiring. But I'm telling you, when I first did this, and it was moving like Jinx, oh man, I couldn't get off this bike. I was like, you're not strong, but you moving like, and like you're not a beginner bike no more. Anybody that hops on, and the moment they even let the clutch go a little bit, she's gone. She's out of there. And for my life, I didn't make no adjustments. She's not bad. I don't have no complaint where she's at now. But man, where she was at before was amazing. I'ma still go ahead. I'm gonna order the right ones. Like I said, I'm lazy. I already expressed that to y'all, so I did not send the other ones back to get the new ones. I'm gonna just keep those ones. Whatever. It's a loss of money. That was like $50, 56, something like that. And I'm gonna order the right ones for her and get on machine silver and red. I think it'll make her pop. Dang, then I lost this cap. So now I gotta look online for a cap. Is that it about it? I think so. That's just my 5,000 mile review. I really don't have nothing bad to say about her. I still fall in love with her more and more after I do more to her. Like, it's just like, it's almost like she's unlimited. Like, I know it's a new bike, it's still a new market, so they're still trying to figure things out with her. But I think they got it right. For majority of the time, they got it right. And you want to talk about best looking, probably not the fastest, but hey, ain't nothing in this class better looking than this bike. I said it. That's a twin. Ain't no 400 better looking than the cfmoto. No mods that you could do better looking than the cfmoto. The only thing is we don't even have fairing kits. This is all stock. You can't even go to mustard fans or nothing. This is literally all stock. The most we can do is wrap these things. You know, so remember that. What you see, all stock. I did do a lot of sticker delete. I did do all that because I didn't like that stuff. I might delete these too. Just find some red stickers or something to go with it. Delete it. I don't like this. These look childish. And then I did try to take these off, but for some reason I can't. I'm gonna have to figure it out. But I don't like those. I don't like the gray on the white. So try to take all that off. Take all the fake carbon fiber off. But other than that, just stay tuned. I have plenty more to do to her. Next will most likely be the like Rizoma mirror style. Get these mirrors up out of here. Oh, and this bolt. This is my fourth bolt on this mirror. It keeps vibrating out. I don't know what's going on with it, but it does. So I'm on my fourth bolt on it. Now let me go ahead and move her back. Oh shoot, I still got my tools. I need to tell I'm gonna take her for a test ride later. When I gotta go wash up and all that good stuff. But yes, definitely love the 160 on the back. Now I'm about to take her out for real. Let me get that front tire and I'm taking her to the canyons. We about to go have some fun. But thanks for staying. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're not here, invite your friends, invite your people. If you have the same site, put it up in the comments what you did to it. Let me know what I need to do more to mine. At the end of the day, I'm trying to do what everybody do. Just get a little bit more performance. That's it. That's it. I'm not saying she's lacking performance. But come on, I got a Jose X10 right there, so you know I'm just used to the performance. I just need just a little bit more. That's all I'm asking. Nothing too serious. But thank you for staying. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, hook your boy up. Let me know what you do like about the bike, what you don't like about the bike, what I need to do to the bike. The chain is adjusted. Proud of myself. Literally took like 5 minutes. So now y'all know how to adjust your chain. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward, even though I was shocked at how easy it was. And they tried to charge me $30. Lazy people, bro. Man, sometimes shops be trying to rip you off. It's hard finding good people out here in good shops. But anyways, peace, y'all. Have a good day. Be the kings and queens, y'all are. Be blessed. Thank you guys for watching.